this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Let me turn this up. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something new from Taihodien restaurant. Taihodien restaurant of Taiwan. These are their Taihodien green chili paste noodles. We'll find out if they're any good at all, and hopefully they are. So, I've water boiling. I've noodles. So, the last time I had a product of Taihodien, and mind you, pardon me, Taiwanese people freaking love this stuff. And it's not cheap either. This stuff's like $5 a pack, or 5 or 6, I can't remember, but it's expensive. But for me, the mala is just like so freaking much, check that out. So much Szechuan peppercorn that it's just like, oh, come on. But this, my friends, is a green chili and green Szechuan peppercorn, which may end up making me happy, and I could use a little bit of that right now. So the noodles, they're dry noodle, very thin gauge stuff for dry noodle, and they go in for 3 minutes on the boil. So we'll see what happens with that. And I wonder, can you even see me, or is that sun just going crazy? No, that sun's alright. The sun's alright. Yeah, it's late November, so we got that weird sun in the sky right now. Already went and did 10 miles this morning before like 8:30 in the morning, walking back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And then took my daughter out, and we did some walking, but she had a big old tantrum, so it's like, yep, we're going home. So brought her home. Now she's having a nap. Peace is restored in the world. Yep. What do you think of this music? I'm really into this. This is like 80s, cheesy 80s TV music. It's suspense. Will it be any good? Will anybody notice that my hat says cock? Will anybody notice that I'm wearing a t-shirt with Santa Claus eating ribs? Probably, maybe not. But one thing you should all do is go buy this stuff. Go buy it. A couple buddies of mine have a line on this other brand of spicy chili crisp that's supposed to be even better. They're like, I think dude referred to it as like heroin level tasty. So it must be good, because people who like heroin really like heroin, I guess. So we have 40 seconds until we find out if I enjoy this. Giving it a little stir. These look to be quality noodles. Who doesn't like a little quality? We've got a green chili, soy sauce, and it's green chilies, and there's a ton of different kind of chilies in it. I have a feeling I'm not gonna like it. I hope I do. I'm really hopeful. So let's drain these puppies. Wow, it's 3 o'clock. It's gonna like get dark in like 5 seconds, I swear. Which really doesn't bode well for the next review, because the next review I know is one that people are gonna really want to see really nicely. I don't have to do it. I could do that one maybe tomorrow. Well, probably not. Tomorrow's Turkey Day. So let's add the soy sauce. I could do it the day after. No, we got. Yeah, I could do it Friday. Black Friday. We don't really go out and do the Black Friday thing. Do any of you guys do that? It sounds kind of fun. I'd want to go out with like a video camera and go to like some impoverished area and watch people go crazy on each other. But I don't know. I'd rather hang out home with my family than watch the feeding frenzy on DVD players and TV sets. Sandwiches. Yeah, Black Friday sandwiches. Haven't you heard of that? That'd be interesting. Oh, yeah. I can already tell I'm not enthused with that scent. All I smell is Szechuan pepper. That's it. Maybe I like green Szechuan pepper better. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like spicy, but I don't like just violently monotone spicy. But my nose has been wrong before. The moment of truth is at hand, ladies and gentlemen. Will this be redemption for Taihodien or the stripy hole? Let's give it a try. I don't know what it is about that style of pepper. See, that reminds me of the self-cooking hot pot flavor. And honestly, it has this flavor that reminds me of smells I get in bathrooms. I'm sorry. I suck. I'm sorry. But I mean it. I can't. Ugh. I don't know how people like that. But it's me. It's not you. I'll try another bite. I'm fascinated by this, that it's a flavor that people enjoy. Because I don't know why anybody would be really into that. The noodles are great. Absolutely wonderful noodles. I don't know. I'm curious to find out what they add to this. Like if I went to Taihodien restaurant, what would you have in here with it? Because that I might like. But straight up like this, it's too Szechuan-y. Like it does have green chili in it. So for me, I would say, some chicken. That's chicken with a little bit of Himalayan salt. Beyond Himalayan, as it's called. New Tech makes it. Lower sodium saltiness. And I know you're gonna be like, why would you do this? But here's some Youku Szechuan pepper powder. Mainly for color. I mean, here's some spring onion. And some sesame seeds. But yeah, that's just not my thing. I'm really sorry. I wish it were, because I really want to. I love Taiwanese dry noodle, but this obsession with such a high amount of Szechuan pepper has got to go. Not my thing. But you know, if it's yours, nothing wrong with you. So let's have a little bit of conciliatory music for Taihodien. I mean, yeah. I'm sorry, they can't all be zingers. Have a good one. Bye.